My name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. One of the amazing things in Lowcoder that you can do is very detailed layouting of the elements of your application. Typically, remember, things go only side by side or bottom on top of each other, but we have the layer mode to be able to effectively put things on top of each other. And one small thing to highlight here is that it is wishful sometimes to switch which is in which direction. And for that, you simply can take here at the left side the element that you want and just place it in the layer that you would like. It's similar like in Photoshop. And then it is to see that the layers are switching dynamically for you. So you can place objects like in a stack on the layer you want. So they hide or be on top of each other. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials. And if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.